Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file for unemployment online in Nevada. First, gather essential documents like your social security number and detailed employment history. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and a valid email address ready. Then, visit the official Nevada Department of Employment, Training, and Rehabilitation website to begin the process. This initial preparation will make your application much smoother and help you proceed efficiently. Once on the website, find the Claimant Self-Service portal. This is where you will register for a new account. You'll need to provide some personal information to set up your profile. Remember to create a strong, secure username and password. Keep these credentials safe, as you will use them for all future logins and to manage your claim. Now it's time to complete the application. Fill out every section of the online form carefully and accurately. Be sure to provide precise details about your work history, including dates and employers, and clearly state the reasons for your unemployment. Before clicking Submit, take a few moments to thoroughly review everything for any errors or omissions. After submitting your claim, you should receive a monetary determination letter within 10 to 14 days. It's crucial to certify your eligibility for benefits every 1 or 2 weeks, as instructed, to continue receiving payments. Also, be prepared for the possibility of follow-up questions or requests for additional information from the department.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.